What's going on YouTube? SRT Dad, and today guys I'm finally gonna put on a mod that I've been waiting 3 years for, guys. 3 years for I've been waiting for this mod. You're gonna find out why in this video, and you're gonna find out what it is. Let's go, let's get on to this install. Alright YouTube, so she's all done. I swapped out the tail lights, guys. It looks so freaking good. Let's go ahead, let's check it out. Alright YouTube, so today's mod, guys, I'm actually going to be changing the taillights out. These taillights, I like them a lot. I get a lot of compliments on them. Sorry about the glare, guys. I'm using my iPhone. My GoPro is, it struggles in these kind of dark areas. I'm in my garage right now. But I'm going to go ahead and let me show you guys what it is. Alright guys, I'll show you what it is. It is from eBay. Okay, I already opened one of them. It was very well packaged, may I say. And I'm trying to do the best I can with one hand here. Because I broke my little stand, my phone stand. And like I said, the GoPro's not doesn't do well in these dark areas. I want really good lighting. Let me go ahead and open it up with two hands, guys. I'll be right back. So here it is, guys. Look at this tail light. Obviously, I bought two of them. The other one's packaged still. I gotta open it up. But man, it is nice, guys. It's so nice. So like I said, what we're gonna do is, sandal. We're gonna be swapping these taillights out. Like I said, sorry about the glare. This damn lighting in here is bothering me, but like I said, we're gonna swap the taillights out. All I'm gonna do is pop the trunk. I can do that now, actually. Like I said, I was gonna pop the trunk. Try to clean this mess back here. I don't even need it. I just gotta unscrew these. Look. There's one. Real quick, I'll show you guys. And then there should be another one up here, and then a third one somewhere. I think once I get inside, you can see, all I gotta do is unplug it, take the, there's another screw up here. Same thing on the other side, guys, and then I just pop it off and unhook it. I'll kind of show you guys, I'll kind of walk you guys through the process, but it's so simple to swap these out, guys. And yes, I will be selling these. If you want them, just message me on SRTDad_10. That's the Instagram. I'll go ahead and show you. There it is, guys. SRTDad_10. Message me on there if you're interested in the taillights. I don't know what price I'm going to put them at yet. But they're really nice, guys. So it ain't going to be cheap if you want them, all right? All right, guys. So I got the taillight off. You can see back here, like I said, it's just those three little screws you take out. And then you just unplug that plug there. And it should be just plug and play. Let's take a look at the back of this one here. And it should be the same thing. Yep, three screws in that plug there. Let's go ahead and put it on. Also, guys, I didn't mention, I do have LED lights on my current setup right now. And these currently have the non-LED lights in here. So I'm gonna kind of see how I like the non-LED ones, see if they're bright enough or not. Because when you put the LEDs on, it causes your turn signal to go really quick. It goes tuk, 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 instead of the normal tuk, tuk, tuk. You know what I mean? So I'm just gonna put them on, and I'll kind of compare and contrast. So I'll turn the car on when I have this first one on, and then we'll kind of compare the lighting. All right, guys. So I got it on. Once again, sorry about the lighting, but you can see it there. Looks really nice. Let's go ahead and start it up and compare the lights. All right, guys, so I took this second light out. So now what I want to do, because I'm not sure about the LED thing or not, I'm going to put the LED lights from this one and swap them onto these two, and then compare and contrast again and see if there's a lighting difference, because I want it to be as bright as possible, you know what I mean? All right, let's go ahead and do that. Sorry, guys, I got confused. I was opening this one, it was the same thing, and I was like, oh, wait, I had never taken the third one out the box, or the second one out the box, right? So here it is. I'll swap them with these, and then put it on over there, and then we'll see which lighting's better, guys. All right, guys, I got them both on, and man, it looks meaner now. All right, so let's do the light test. Yeah, I think I'm gonna end up going LED here too. It's brighter on here. On camera, you can't really tell as much, but it's definitely brighter on this left side. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that out and put the LEDs on, and then we'll pull the car out and see what it looks like, guys. All right, guys, so I got the LEDs on both now. Uh-oh. Oops, looks like this right one I didn't put it on right, so I'm gonna have to take it out again. God damn it. All right, guys, so I took the light out and kind of flipped the light bulb around. I'll just turn the lights on here so you can see. There it is. The LED is it's just that much brighter, guys. It makes a difference. Like I said, it looks really good. Let's pull the car out and see what it looks like outside. All right, YouTube, so she's all done. I swapped out the tail lights, guys. It looks so freaking good. Let's go ahead. Let's check it out. There it is, guys. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section, guys. I think it looks freaking mean. Let's go ahead and start her up. Freaking amazing, guys. Turned out great, guys. Like I said, I wanted to buy these a couple years ago. I've been eyeing them for like the past 4 years now. And like I said, I got it off eBay. I'll make sure I put the link in the description, guys, if you're interested. They did cost about $400. So they're not cheap. But as you can see, the quality is really good. I got 10 jobs, amazing. This looks freaking awesome. Looks so much meaner and aggressive in the back now. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick install video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, guys. I'll see you guys on the next one. I'm SRT Dad. This is my 2009 Dodge Charger SRT8. I'm in.